Hello everyone, welcome to part 46 of reactjs tutorial with Laravel for beginners. And in this video, we are going to validate the delivery address form at the checkout page. In the last video, we have seen the place order API. We able to integrate this place order API. We have tested it in Postman, and we finally able to place the order with this API that we have tested in Postman. And now we need to practically make it in the React app. And for it, first of all, we are going to validate this delivery address form. After that, we are going to call the place order API to place the COD order. Okay, so here we are going to add the validation for this form. Okay, that is essential because we don't want that the order will come with the empty fields, with the empty delivery address. Okay, so to validate this form, we are going to update here the checkout component in the React app. Okay, so I'm going to open the checkout component in our React app, and here I'm going to modify here the form. Okay, so here first of all I'm going to add all the fields here, but first of all I'm going to uh, declare and assign the values, assign the empty values to these fields that are name, address, city, state, country, pin code, and mobile. Okay, like we used to do in PHP and Laravel, and now here in React as well, we are going to assign the null value or empty value to these fields. Okay, so we're going to do this here. Okay, so here I'm going to take one const like this one, name, and sorry, no need to take quotes. Okay, name and set name. Okay, and assign empty value to this one, use state, and we are going to assign empty value like this. Okay, so the same thing we're going to do, copy, paste here. Okay, okay, so now here for address, we're going to set the address as well. Okay, so for city, we will set this set city, and for state, we will set state, country, set country, pin code, set pin code, and one more for mobile. I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste here. Now for mobile, set mobile. Okay, so we have done for all the fields. Now here we need to update, and here like value, we're going to add the value for all, value equal to name, value equal to address, value equal to city, value equal to state, value equal to country, value equal to pin code, value equal to mobile. Okay, so here also we require here on change event. Okay, like we have done in the register as well, in the login as well. This on change event we require for all. So I am going to copy this one, and we are going to do this for all the fields like this one, set name. Okay, this one will remain same, and this one we are going to change, set address, and this one set city, set state, set country, set pin code, set mobile. Okay, so also we require to have the another value, that is the user ID, because here we have built the API with the user ID as well, like we have done with the checkout API and other API. I'm going to open this one here. I'm going to close earlier files and we'll open the api.php, and here you can see the place order is also with the user ID. So for this user ID we need to send this user ID in this form itself as a hidden value. Okay, so first of all we need to get this user ID here. Okay, in the same way, like we are getting in the other forms as well. I think we are getting maybe in the detail or some other field. Here we are getting, so I'm going to copy this code and we'll paste it here as well. Okay, and this user ID we are going to pass it as the hidden field here. I'm going to first take it as test just to test it. Okay, type equal to test. Okay, and here name is, sorry, name is user ID, and value we will take it as the user ID as well. Value equal to user ID as well, and on chain event. Okay, on chain event here for as well, that we are going to use it as set user ID. Okay, I think it's done. Fine. So I'm going to see user ID here is 1. Okay, you see user ID is 1, so it is picking 1, so it is working fine. I'm going to make it is as type hidden for the user ID. Okay, so now it seems to be fine. So we require one function here, and I need to call up this function on the click of this place order button. Okay, so I'm going to add here on click event, on click, and we will call one function on the click of this button, and we will name it like place order. So I'm going to create this function here. We can create this function. Okay, and in this function we are going to add the condition, like if any of the field is empty, then we are going to show the error message, we're going to show the alert. Okay, so asynchronous function, like we have earlier also added, that we're going to use here, asynchronous function place order. Okay, so first of all we are going to test it once, like this function is working fine or not. After that we are going to add the validation here, return false. So I'm going to refresh it, we'll click on place order, so it is working fine. Okay, so we can move further. And one more thing we're going to do here, this link of place order, we are going to place it before this link. Okay, we're going to do it like this because that is more important than back. Okay, so here we just require to here few of the fields, we're going to put it here. Okay, so now we're going to see like this, place order and back to cart. Okay, so here also we are going to put some of the breaks at the end as well. Okay, so okay, so now uh, what we are going to do, we are going to add the validations here. We are going to remove this one, and first one is we are going to check the name, that must not be empty. Name, if name equal to empty, then we are going to show here the alert message, and we are going to show the message like please enter your name, enter your name, like this. Okay, so we can add any type of HTML5 validations like we have added in the register form as well. We can also add like a name must be in character. Okay, that validation also we can add by searching online. Okay, so any kind of validation you can add, like one of the validation we have added earlier as well in the form of register. Here we will add the address, please enter your address. I'm going to show you the register. If you remember that we have added here some of the validation. See, we have added the filter like mobile, mobile must be valid. This filter we have used for the email, sorry, for email, the email must be the valid email. So like this we can add the validation for all. If we want, like the name must be character, mobile must be numeric, so the validation is available for all these. Okay, I hope that those you can add from your end. Here we are going to add the simple validation like please enter your name, please enter your address, please enter your city. We can also add the server validation as well, that we will add okay later on. Please enter your city. Okay, there are two type of validation. This is the client side and another one is the server side. Server side we will also add later on. So now after city, state, please enter your state. Okay, so after this, country, please enter your country. Okay, after country, pin code, please enter your pin code. Then mobile, please enter your mobile. Fine. Okay, and so now we are going to test this one. See, I'm going to refresh here. See, click on place order. See, here it is showing please enter your name. Okay, so I'm going to add my name now. Name is Gupta, and now we'll click once again. Now it is saying please enter your address. Okay, so the validations are working fine here. Okay, please enter your city. Okay, Ludhiana. Please enter your state. Okay, it is coming. So we are going to add the Punjab here where I'm living. And now let's see, please enter your country. So I'm going to add the country name. Please enter your pin code as well, and we're going to add the pin code as well. So please enter your mobile, the last one, 9810. Okay, so whatever the mobile number we're going to add, and finally there it will show no validation, so it has been done. Okay, but we are not placing the order yet. Okay, so we are going to place the order in the next video, and the thanks page will come after placing the order, and the order will come in the admin panel of our multi-vendor e-commerce website. Here the order will come here in the admin panel. Okay, so like this is the common admin panel for both for website as well as the app. So order will come up here once we have placed the order from there. Okay, so let's wait for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.